How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show you an easy method on how to do that. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, you can just directly head over to a browser and open up youtube.com. And once you have signed in with your YouTube account, your Google account, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So in order to download it, you can just head over to your profile at the top right and then head over to the YouTube studio. And once you are here under your YouTube studio, under this on your profile at the left side, under your channel name, you'll be finding different options available. So different options like subtitles, copyright, and different options. You're going to look out for the option called Audio Library. Just go ahead and look for Audio Library here on this section. This one right here under customization. Once you're here, you'll be finding free musics available. So if you want to convert it into MP3 and download it, you can just follow up this method. In order to download it, it is very easy. When you go ahead and locate the music that you like, you can just directly head over to the download section. So when you go ahead and look out at the last section, you can easily find a download option. When you go ahead and download it, it will be easily converted into the MP3 version from your YouTube. So that is it. You can follow up this method in order to download the video and convert it into MP3. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.